Assalamualaikum and hello people, I am Atika Nazri. So welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing stationery haul from Shopee. I guess that's going to be the title. So during the 12/12 sales, I only purchased 11 items from this shop. I don't remember the name. I think I will put the shop at here later. So here is the package that I got yesterday. Dia ni dia. So I think here are the items that I have purchased, and I didn't remember that I bought this one. I think this is a free gift. Yeah, free gift. So the first item is this organizer, plastic organizer. Dia ada banyak size, tapi yang ni size paling besar. Tak tahulah, saya baik beli yang ni kalau tak bapak kecil. So this is the second item. I think this is stickers. Yeah, stickers. A lot of stickers. So this is the third item. This is the glue tape, I don't know, something like that. Yeah. So this is the planner. The reason why I bought this one is because the size is small, so I can carry it everywhere. And I like the color. So let's see how it looks inside. So this is how it looks inside. It has calendar, and then apa ni orang panggil ni?
Yearly plan.
Macam weekly plan kot. Weekly plan for every month, February, March, May, November. It also has this empty space at here. Maybe I can use this space to decorate my planner with the stickers that I have bought. Oh, I think this is quite nice. It also have the bookmark there. Next is the stickers, the emoji stickers. This is very cute. We have the colorful one, the what we call this? The grayish one, the earth tone. So pretty, so cute, eh? Okay, next we have these tapes, the washi tapes. Yeah, this is the first one. Okay, this is how it looks like. It's very pretty. I like the color. This is the second one, the second washi tape. Very pretty. And this is also washi tapes, but doesn't have any pattern on it. Oh yeah, the tone is almost the same for every washi tapes, because I don't like bright colors. Yeah. So this is also washi tapes. But you see masking tape right here. Oh, I don't want to open. It's because it's hard to open it. So this is how it looks like. It has the brownish and greenish color at here, and then this is a warm color. This is more to cool tone. This is the warm tone, and it has one pattern washi tapes at this side, and this side also another pattern. It's really cute and nice. I think I'm going to use it for my planner. Okay, this is the last washi tape, the last washi tapes that I got. This one is all a checkered pattern, but in different colors. The theme here is like brownish, pinkish. The last item, which is a marker or highlight or a set of highlighters. It has 12 colors, and it has two type of tips. Like this one is more to like flat tips, and this is the round tips, I guess. I want to organize this item right now, so let's organize it with me. Okay, let's do it right now. So these are the stationeries that I have gotten for now. Yeah, this some of them are from Shopee and some of them are from Mr. DIY. I just started to collect these kind of things during the PKPB, during the CMCO. I think I'm going to buy more stationeries in future. Maybe during the next sales, I'm going to buy a lot of things and do a haul again. So for now, let's organize all of these into these two organizers, okay? So I guess this is the final organization for now. I think I'm going to change it later after I buy more stationeries in future. And this is how it will look like for a few weeks, I guess. I don't know who's going to watch this video, but if you watch this video up until this point, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. And if you can help me to achieve 1,000 subscribers, these stationeries might be yours. I'll buy these things for you. I'm not going to give you mine, but I'm going to buy the new one and send it to your house. So that's the end of this video. Stay safe, and I'll see you when I see you. Bye.
You need to pick me up. I'll be there in 25. I like to push my